Welcome to the Netherlands, a land of windmills, water, and wonderful charm. Located in northwestern Europe, the Netherlands borders Germany and Belgium, with a long coastline along the North Sea. It also includes several Caribbean islands, such as Aruba and Curaçao. The capital is Amsterdam, famous for its canals, bikes, and museums. The country has around 17.5 million people. The official language is Dutch, and the currency is the euro, or euro. The Netherlands is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary system. King Willem-Alexander is the current monarch, and the prime minister leads the government. The Dutch economy is highly developed, driven by trade, agriculture, technology, and finance. It's a founding member of the EU, NATO, and the United Nations. Geographically, the Netherlands is flat, really flat. About a third of the country lies below sea level, protected by a world-famous system of dikes and waterworks. The landscape features polders, canals, tulip fields, and farmlands. The Rhine and Maas rivers pass through, and the country is known for its windmills and innovative flood control. Dutch culture is known for its openness, creativity, and practicality. The country is majority secular, though Christianity remains present. The Netherlands was the first country to legalize same-sex marriage and is known for its progressive values. Dutch painters like Rembrandt and Van Gogh are global icons, and cities like Utrecht and Rotterdam are rich in design and modern architecture. Fun fact, the Dutch own more bicycles than people. Food in the Netherlands is simple but satisfying. Popular dishes include stroopwafels, caramel waffle cookies, bitterballen, fried meat snacks, herring, raw herring, and Dutch pancakes. Cheese is a big deal, especially varieties like Gouda and Edam. Breakfast and lunch are usually light, while dinner is the main meal. Sports play a central role in Dutch life. Football is the most popular, with famous clubs like Ajax and PSV Eindhoven. The Netherlands has produced cycling champions, Olympic speed skaters, and Formula One star Max Verstappen. Ice skating on frozen canals is a beloved winter tradition when weather allows. Tourism in the Netherlands is booming. Visitors enjoy tulip season in spring, boat rides through Amsterdam's canals, and charming towns like Giethoorn and Delft. Whether you're exploring windmills, riding bikes through flower fields, or soaking in the art and history, the Netherlands is full of delightful discoveries. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Love our doodles? Enjoy 10% off our digital country bundles on Etsy with code DOODLE10.